Looking for the perfect tool to get flawless alignment every time? Best outdoor laser level options can completely transform the way you handle construction and DIY projects with precision and ease. From powerful long-range visibility to rugged designs built for tough job sites, we have picked the top performers that deliver accuracy you can trust. Check the product links in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. At number 1, the CIGMAN self-leveling laser stands out as a powerful and reliable solution for both professionals and home improvement enthusiasts who demand precision in every project. Designed with advanced technology, this laser level delivers accurate alignment using 12 ultra-bright green laser lines that provide full 360-degree coverage, making it perfect for tasks like tiling, framing, interior design, and large-scale construction work. The visibility is impressive, even in brighter environments, and with the included remote control, adjusting line brightness and visibility becomes effortless, adding convenience to your workflow. Built with durability in mind, this compact yet sturdy tool features an IP54 rated design that protects against dust and water, ensuring consistent performance even in challenging job site conditions. What truly makes this model versatile is its multiple operating modes, including auto-leveling, manual, and pulse modes. The auto-leveling function ensures high accuracy within plus or minus 4 degrees, while the pulse mode significantly extends the working range from 30 meters up to 50 meters when paired with a laser receiver, making it highly effective for outdoor use as well. The included 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery supports extended working hours without interruptions, and the Type-C fast charging capability ensures quick and flexible power options from various sources. Durability and convenience, making it a top-tier choice for any leveling task. Taking the second spot is the Huepar 360 Laser Level, a feature-packed and highly versatile tool designed for both professional contractors and serious do-it-yourself users who need precision across a wide range of indoor and outdoor projects. This model stands out with its full 360-degree coverage, combining 1 horizontal and 2 vertical laser planes that allow you to seamlessly align floors, walls, and ceilings with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're installing tiles, aligning cabinets, or working on framing, this laser level ensures consistent and reliable results every time. The smart pendulum system automatically self-levels and clearly indicates when the tool is out of alignment, while also allowing manual mode for angled applications when needed. One of the biggest advantages of this laser level is its bright green beam technology, which is significantly more visible than traditional red lasers, especially in well-lit environments. It offers an impressive working range of up to 85 feet with high accuracy, and when pulse mode is activated, the range can extend up to 200 feet with a compatible receiver, making it suitable for outdoor use as well. Built with durable materials and covered in protective rubber, it can withstand accidental drops and tough job site conditions. With its portable design, convenient carrying bag, and user-friendly setup, the Huepar 360 Laser Level delivers a perfect balance of performance, durability, and convenience for any leveling task. Next on our list is the Takamine 16 Lines Green Laser Level, a highly advanced and feature-rich tool built for users who need maximum coverage and precision across demanding construction and layout projects. This powerful model comes equipped with 4 full 360-degree laser planes, including 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, delivering a total of 16 bright green laser lines. This complete coverage allows you to easily align floors, walls, and ceilings while forming perfect 90-degree intersections for accurate square layouts. Whether you're working on tiling, framing, or large interior setups, this laser level provides exceptional clarity and control, helping you visualize every measurement with confidence and speed. One of the standout features of this laser level is its high-performance green laser unit sourced from Japan, offering superior brightness and stability compared to standard laser tools. It provides a working range of up to 130 feet with impressive accuracy, and when paired with receiver in pulse mode, the range can extend up to 200 feet, making it ideal for outdoor applications as well. The included remote control simplifies adjustments, allowing you to change settings quickly without interrupting your workflow. Additionally, the upgraded Type-C charging system ensures faster charging speeds, while the detachable lithium battery supports extended use on long projects. Overall, the Takamine 16 lines green laser level delivers outstanding performance, versatility, and durability for professionals who demand accuracy in every detail. At number 4, the Huepar self-leveling laser level delivers a premium experience, packed with innovation, durability, and professional-grade precision, making it an excellent choice for demanding users and advanced DIY projects. This award-winning model is recognized for its performance and design, offering 4 full 360-degree laser planes that provide complete room coverage across floors, walls, ceilings, and corners. Whether you're working on remodeling, construction, or detailed installations, this laser level ensures every measurement is sharp and reliable. One of its most impressive features is the motorized rotating base that allows smooth and controlled adjustments with multiple speed settings for both quick positioning and fine-tuning. You can control the device using the included remote or even through a mobile application via Bluetooth, giving you the flexibility to operate it from a distance and save valuable time on larger job sites. The smart liquid crystal display touchscreen provides real-time information, such as tilt angle, battery status, and laser modes, all while being responsive enough to use with gloves, making it perfect for outdoor and rugged environments. Built with a tough rubber-coated exterior, this laser level is designed to resist dust and water, ensuring long-lasting durability. Backed by a strong warranty and reliable customer support, the Huepar self-leveling laser level stands out as a smart and powerful investment for precision work. Finally, taking the 5th spot is the Firecore laser level, a dependable and performance-driven tool designed to handle both indoor and outdoor leveling tasks with impressive accuracy and ease. This model is equipped with a high-performance green laser system that delivers clear and precise alignment across 1 horizontal and 2 vertical 360-degree planes, allowing full room coverage for floors, walls, and ceilings. Whether you're working on construction layouts, installations, or alignment projects, this laser level ensures consistent results with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/13 of an inch at 33 feet. For outdoor environments where visibility can be challenging, the laser receiver significantly enhances detection, extending the working range up to 297 feet when pulse mode is activated, making it suitable for outdoor use as well. One of the key highlights of this laser level is its strong battery performance, powered by a built-in 4,400 mAh rechargeable battery that provides over 8 hours of continuous runtime. The adjustable laser brightness levels not only help conserve power, but also allow for thinner and more precise laser lines depending on your needs. The integrated magnetic bracket with a rotating base allows easy mounting on metal surfaces or tripods, offering precise positioning and stability. With a complete accessory kit and reliable support, this laser level is a solid and practical choice for accurate and efficient work.